So I'm really sorry to say that we've reached the last song for tonight. I'm afraid so, but if we could all sing it together, I think it would be a very beautiful way to kind of cap off tonight. And so the words are "You won't go lonely," and it's right near the end, the bit where we'll all sing along. And it's a song that I wrote about doing your best to be hopeful, and everybody kind of closest to you and most important to you who makes that easier, and everybody in your circle who kind of makes it slightly easier for you to have hope when things are difficult, and those sorts of people who just kind of constantly have hope in them and help you kind of share in that. And yeah, just before we get into it, I just want to say thanks so much for being here tonight and for traveling here and for buying a ticket and everything. I really appreciate it, so thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. And I can't wait to be back. This is called After Rain. Thank you. Cause the snow is at our feet, and when embraces subside and the lilies have died, it comes down to her tears on a sheet. But it's alright because you cause lanterns to light and force demons disperse. And if Lucifer may fear the swift drying of tears, then for evil you could not be worse. But I see you now, yeah, I see you, and release me now, kinda like dreams do. And I see you now, it's hard to see you. Don't forget to sing. Remember everything. You're the only little girl I know who'd bring a kite in the snow. Said you're just gonna hold it up, said nah, I'm gonna let it go. And when your heart hurts, days like today are the antidote. If you think just maybe it's her, then promise me, young man, you're gonna let her know. hoping she left a listener in thrall. Oh no, no, no. Sing with me, you won't go lonely. You won't go lonely yet. You won't go lonely yet. You won't go lonely yet. You won't. One more time. Thank you so much. You won't go lonely yet. Thank you so much. Thank you.